Have you ever scrolled through YouTube and stumbled upon something so strange it just felt wrong? I'm talking about cats acting out dramatic soap operas, babies floating silently in outer space, or endless surreal loops of complete nonsense. If you've seen it, you've discovered the bizarre new world of Slop. But why is YouTube suddenly drowning in these surreal creations? And what does it mean for the future of content? Today, we're diving deep into the rise of this AI-generated junk content, why it's spreading so fast, who's making it, and how it could reshape the platform forever. From creepy children's videos to weird algorithm-baiting cartoons, this is more than just digital noise. It's a new phenomenon that's changing the internet right before our eyes. So what exactly is Slop? Put simply, it's low-effort, often nonsensical content created with artificial intelligence, designed purely to game the algorithm. Think of those videos with cats playing out over-the-top family dramas, strange bedtime stories with bizarre plots, or those unsettling clips of babies just stuck in space. It is all made to be weird enough to catch your attention and simple enough to be mass-produced. But why is it taking over? Well, it's incredibly cheap and easy to create. You don't need a camera, a scriptwriter, or even an original idea. With just a few prompts, anyone can generate hours of video content. And since YouTube's algorithm often rewards creators who upload constantly, these slop makers can flood the platform with videos, hoping to cash in on ad revenue from millions of confused views. It's a numbers game, and right now, the numbers are on their side. This flood of AI content comes with some real dangers. Firstly, it's becoming harder for viewers like you and me to find genuine, authentic content made by real people. All this noise buries the signal. More concerning, however, is the risk for younger audiences. Kids could easily stumble upon these bizarre, unsettling AI videos that are not designed with their well-being in mind. And for creators who pour their heart and soul into their work, this trend could push them into obscurity, unable to compete with the sheer volume of automated junk. This raises a much bigger question. Is this the future of YouTube? What happens when the majority of content on a platform is made by AI for an algorithm? Could platforms like YouTube collapse under the weight of meaningless junk? Or will new rules and new tools emerge to help us sort the art from the artificial? So, the next time you stumble on a video of cats reenacting a telenovela or baby floating aimlessly through the galaxy, remember, you're not just seeing something weird. You've just encountered Slop. The real question is, will it consume YouTube? Or will creators and audiences fight back? If you want to see more breakdowns of strange internet trends and what they mean for all of us, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you've seen any Slop in your own feed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.